And this is the wheel. And then you spin it and look behind it. There's some pink and then no under the cannon. And I have to stop the wheel. And then I have to try and get in here. And if you do manage it, good job. Next I have these slides. Inside is different. I have to put this piece right here and slope it down. This piece is a little trickier because there. And now, and then I have to push it in there. Next up, we have this point game. Where this is 1,000, this is 5,000, and this is 10,000. You have to try and get it into one of these. If these are broke. Fixing it. And then you have to. And why does this keep breaking? And then you have to. And I got 10,000. And I think that's it.